It's me, Big Bird. It's so great to see you. I love learning about letters. Let's sing the alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now we know our ABCs. I love when you sing. Sing with me. That was so much fun.
Yay!
You and I make a great team. I love the ABCs.